Vote. This is Elisa. We don't like her. We must demolish her. So if you saw my last Wii Party video, you'll know how things went with Elisa and the amount of bullshittery I got in this game. Roll the clips real quick. All I need is a 2. And I get a fucking 1! If it's Elisa after all of this shit, of course it would. What a fucking great ending that is. So yeah, things didn't go so great. Before we begin the video, I just want to announce quickly that my Discord server is now working. If you click the link in the first description link of the video, it should take you to the Discord server page where you can join and be a part of the gang. We got the Balloon Buggies game. This should be easy for me. I don't remember if you have to use your joystick or if you just, okay, you just use the controller to steer. Oh, you bitch. Hey. Hey! That's my golden balloon. Oh, you cock. Oh. There we go. Nice balloon there. They're not doing too bad. Oh, there's 11 from me. Oh, here come the spiky bullshit balls. Hey! Get away from me! Wow, I suck at driving in this game. No, what are you doing? And of course, f***ing Cole the... You dickhead, that was mine! Ah, f***ing course I get bombed. You know, just bomb my asshole while you're at it too. Why are we doing loop-de-loops now? Like, we had it figured out great before, and of course, now, Elisa's gonna be for short because my car likes to go stupid. That's some bullshit. And of course, Elisa wins the roll-off, because, what do you know? Everything just goes great for Elisa. She's the f***ing queen of Wii Party. This canker sore on my lip is still there. Oh, wow. We get a f***ing 11 roll on our first roll of the game. Wow, that's great. Maybe Foat's the go-to player here to use. We got 5. Oh, I thought we were gonna get that saucer and go all the way back to the start. But no, we actually get to keep 11 spaces we get. Elisa gets a 3. Nice. Cole got a 3 as well. Well, they all rolled terrible. So I'm miles ahead right now, which is cool. Get in now! Come on! What are you doing? Oh, Al's being a dick. Okay. Oh, we tied with Elisa? Come on! That's some bullshit. Weird Al kept on screwing me there. If we didn't keep on going for Weird Al, we would have won that game. What does Elisa get? Oh, 1. Okay, so we win the minigame no matter what, but... Oh, you had to make it really close, didn't you? You know, it's impossible to lose on a roll-off, but with a 1, but... You know, Foat try to still make it as hard as possible. What do you know? I hate Cole. He looks like a douchebag. Oh, you, Cole. You have to do the 1v3 minigame and waste my time. What the f***? I pressed f***ing D-pad. Are you f***ing kidding me? That's the biggest bullshit I've ever seen. I f***ing pressed the f***ing D-pad. That is complete another bull. I pressed the D-pad. I did not press B. What? That is complete another bullshit. And of course, you, Cole. You're a piece of shit, douchebag looking motherfucker. I hate you. That's bullshit. The only thing that makes it up is because Michael got that 1. Go! Oh yeah. 1 tick over is... Swing! How is that not in? Boo! Yeah, that's right. You know, this game. This whole mini game. This game is so fucking retarded. This mini game, the fucking mini games today are so incredibly bullshit. Like what the? I swear to God, if I lose this roll off, oh, thank you. Yeah, you would have been hearing a lot more screaming if I lost to Elisa right there. Oh yeah, you. Eat shit. Can we get something good? A 7, you know, it's not bad. If we can get this door, it'll make up for it. Wow. Some good fortune finally happening for Folk. You know, maybe if we make a... I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, enjoy that -4. You deserve that. Bitch. Yeah, Cole, I seen you try to die there, you motherfucker. Get your spiky hair looking ass out of here. And you know, this kind of screws me now that I think about it, because now we missed out on the stony hand, man. I mean, an 8 makes up for it, I guess. Not +5, you know. It's alright. We wouldn't be that far behind anyways. And of course, she got the double. She's probably gonna get a 6 and land on that blue man thing, isn't she? No, a 5. Watch. If she rolled a 6, she would have went in the volcano. Yeah, if she rolled a fucking 6, she would have went in the volcano. If she rolled a 5, she would have been right on the fucking blue man thingy. You know, that's some bullshittery. Like, this game is screwing me so hard today. Let me go. Cole is already done. Like, Cole, man. Why do I keep going further up than I do down? Are you fucking kidding me? I went further up than I did down. And of course, everything goes well for fucking Cole. You know, just suck his dick while you're at a game. Just pull his pants down and shove his... Yeah, that's what you get, bitch. Oh, thank you. Thank you for not giving me the notorious 3 wall. And I'm still gonna go in the volcano, because this game just hates me. I don't know how this thing still works. I really don't. This controller's been thrown at my couch, my wall. Still works. If Cole doesn't go in the volcano here... joke. This game's a fucking joke. This game is literally pulling down the pants of Cole and taking his... Look at the path they have. Look at the path they have. Well, Lisa didn't have to go through around a single sheep. And of course, Cole right there behind me again. Up my ass. A 9. Well, I think we're to the volcano. Oh, we are. Out of the volcano in 1 roll. Would you look at that? Marco's still getting screwed back here. It'll work out for Marco. I guarantee he'll still be close at the end of the game. Oh, great. The choppy game. Like I said last time, I have a great arm of any of you ladies. No one commented on the video. Look at that. That's a record time. That's gotta be a record time. I did that in what, like 3-4 seconds max? Wow, lots of practice. It takes lots of practice for that. I swear to God. Nothing. Get it. Just get it. We already know you're gonna get it because it's a +6 right there. What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? The odds to get that, and she get the +6 too. What do you know? There's Marco sitting down there in the corner. Oh, we won. That one last second point was fantastic. fundamental. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm just gonna shut up and be honest. Double 4. That's okay. Give me a 6, that'll be better. A 1, you know. Maybe it's doing me a favor. Maybe if I got a 6, it would have put me in the volcano. A 3 or a 4. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for... Oh, wow. I'm so shocked right now that it wasn't me. No, a double 1. That sucks now, doesn't it, Lisa? Triple 1. Hooray! You're on the same space as me, and I don't like it. He's getting close to that UFO space down there, though, so I guarantee you. Oh, I like to shoot it in someone's rear. And that's what we get to do in this game, so I should be good at it. Hey, Cole, you just shot my grandma in the rear. Hey? No. Get out of here, Cole, you dick. Cole, f you. Cole, f you. Yeah, get away from me! I have no idea how you didn't get me there. You're dead. You're going for a joyride, Cole? Like, he keeps getting all these stupid power-up thingies. Stupid. Oh, come on, you goof. I'm pressing up! Like, how many times I gotta press up? Oh my god, you're dead. Wow, I'm great at shooting it in the rear. A 9. I should be scared. Okay, that's fine. Finally! You Cole, bye-bye! I didn't do good at this one last time. Start. 1 point. Right there. You guys can follow along too and tell me what it is in the comments or whatever, what you guys thought it was. Okay, you got it. 2 point round. There we go, right there, right there. You should be there, I think. Either that one or that one. I think that one though. Oh, what? We were that one? Oh boy. That one? Of course! Elisa gets it right! Why wouldn't she? She has the f***ing memory. Oh, photographic memory. What do you know? A f***ing double 6 from Elisa. Oh my god. A f***ing triple 6. A triple 6. Are you kidding me? If she wins it right here. If she wins it right here. Oh my! Are you? That's the big. Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me? 4 6s in a row. Are you kidding me? There's no way. There's actually no fucking way. That just happened. That is the biggest bullshit ending I've ever. There is no way you can tell me that this game is not rigged.
There is no way. She gets a 3. She gets perfect on that last one somehow. She gets a double 6. She gets double 6, triple 6. That is 6 of the. Are you kidding me? There is no way. I refuse to believe that she wins that. Unbelievable. I am not playing this game for a while. You will not be seeing another Wii Player Detail video on my channel. Goodbye.